There is a way to make money through YouTube that's very simple. And no, it doesn't involve making videos, selling any product, or investing any money. It doesn't even require any special set of skills. You could do it at home. You could begin right away, actually, as a matter of fact. To begin, you need to look at some YouTube channels that are popular and doing well on the platform. We have found a way to achieve this without all the effort it usually takes and make possibly even more than these successful channels. This method doesn't call for you to make videos, perform any affiliate marketing whatsoever. So for example, go to the search bar and type in something that typically millions of people would be interested in watching. For those videos definitely have millions of views, such as how to get six-pack abs. This is because you need a search query that has a huge audience base. Even if you bring in a small percentage of the views these videos have garnered, you will still be making a significant amount of money. This is because you don't need as many views to make money here. Using the method that we have found for you, you are going to bring in more money through less views. You need your own version of such and such videos, whatever the niche it is that you've chosen. This method is absolutely perfect for just about anyone, because you don't need an established channel with views and subscribers to get started. This is because through our method of making money, you won't be dependent on the revenue that comes with the ads attached to these videos. First, you type your keyword into the search bar. This will be something like lose weight easily or get a six-pack within 2 weeks. Then you need to filter out the irrelevant videos by going on the settings, and under the features button, there'll be a bar of different options. Just click on Creative Commons and go. This way, you will have only the videos displayed to you that can be reused and uploaded again through other accounts for whatever reason. You will not be copyright striked for using these. Since our money isn't coming from ads, we will use these videos to make money another way, which we will get into in just a second. For YouTube doesn't allow ads to be played on re-uploaded videos. It doesn't matter because for ads to work on YouTube, you need a lot of views. You're paid around $2 for every 1,000 views the ad gets. However, through the method we discovered for you guys, you can make up to $25 for every 1,000 views on the ad instead. Now that's a pretty significant jump in the right direction. That is, if you're interested in getting rich, of course. You have to pick a video and download it, then re-upload it on YouTube through your channel. To do this, you have to copy the video URL, then head over to any search engine and look for a YouTube to MP4 converter and paste the link in the empty bar. Then go. Now you'll have the video converted and ready for download. A famous one among these is YTMP3. Here you'll have different options you can choose from to convert your video to, such as MP3. You have to convert it to MP4. It will be pending for a bit, but then your file will be ready for download. Now that you have the video downloaded and the Creative Commons access to use it, all you have to do is re-upload it through another channel, your own YouTube channel. But here you have to change the title a bit. And as for the description, you'll fill it out by writing something that will actually bring in money for a long time. Bring in a profit even today. But it can't be a product or affiliate link. Now head back to Google and search for something relevant to our video, such as a step-by-step guide on losing weight, or how to get a six-pack fast. From the search results, choose a suitable article. The best one for this would be something with steps. Next, you go to Google and type in Google Docs, create a new document. Then go to the article and copy-paste one of the steps onto the new blank document. We would suggest that you switch up the article as much as you can, but it's not an absolute necessity that you do this step. After pasting the first step on your new document, go to the Share option. Copy the link that directs you to the document. Now that you get the gist of it, do this for all the different steps in the article till you have a different link for all the steps within the article. You might be confused here. There's no way all of this will make you money. You simply take the link for that document, then go to shrinkearn.com. ShrinkEarn is a paid link shortening service. You shorten your links for free and get paid on top of that. This works because you get paid every time someone clicks on the link. Ads are attached to the link, and before the person who clicked the link gets to the page, they'll be shown those ads. The typical going rate here is actually around $6 to $8 per 1,000 views, but you can make up to $20 through this service. We discovered a way that every one person viewing and clicking on your link will actually count for 5 to 10 people, meaning your earnings will be multiplied. The next step, is to make a free account on Shrink Earn. The registration process is pretty standard. You have to write your email, password, and username. There are different payment options too, according to what suits you. When you're done signing up and you log in, there'll be a neatly set up dashboard. Here you can keep track of your progress and earnings. There'll be a bar on the left side. You have to go to the shorten link option and click. Then you type in your link and shorten it. This will take less than a minute. Now, every time this link receives any traffic, you will be paid. You have to go through these steps until all your links for all your Google Docs have been shortened. Now, as for setting it up so that your links bring in multiple views, head over to a website called bio.fm. This is a free tool that lets you share many links on one page, meaning that if the page gets one view, all the links are going to get a view. Again, you're going to have to make an account. After that, you'll be redirected to your home page, and you'll be given a link, which is now the one you'll have to put in your YouTube description. First, you'll have to edit the page and put in some content. Click Next and put in a good title. Give viewers a reason to want to click on the link. Paste your link here. You have to do this process again and again till there's a page set up for all your links. When it's all set, you click on Add Lock and then Publish. Now copy the Bio.fm link and paste that at the very top of your video's description. Make sure you include important keywords such as weight loss or six-pack. Now you're all set. One of your videos at least is bound to get popular and bring traffic to the links. This might take some time, but it's important to not get disheartened. We assure you that methods such as this take some time, and you just have to be patient and be willing to put in the time too. Plus, you're not investing anything except some of your time. And we make sure to bring you websites and methods that have no cost. You register and use them for free. There's so many easy money schemes online that when you hear about another one promising to make you a fortune these days, that all sounds like a scam. Well, what if we told you we found something that's not a fraud and will actually make you money without too much of an effort on your part? And yes, it involves watching videos on YouTube. It's a great way to make money on the side, and even through doing something you do already regularly, consuming video content on YouTube. Additionally, if you're hoping to work in film or television, it'll look real good on your resume. We'll break it down for you so you know exactly how it works and don't have to worry about anything. First, you start by identifying videos you usually enjoy watching on YouTube. However, they have to be associated with a popular keyword. For example, let's say you enjoy watching gaming tutorials. You can search for popular YouTubers who make this sort of content, such as PewDiePie. Or you could search for the keyword itself, such as Cyberpunk or Resident Evil. Basically, any type of video that rakes in a large amount of views in a short time will do the trick. You need to view the videos properly from start to finish and make sure that they're of a decent quality and worth being viewed. Then there's a website called shrinkme.io, which is used for shortening links. This website will pay you for watching those YouTube videos. You have to sign up and make an account here, which is free, by the way. Here, you will use this service to make smaller aliases of the same URL, and you will be paid according to how many times your shortened URL was clicked on and viewed by people on the internet. We hope at least some of you get rich through this method, or make a little extra pocket money.